Alright, what up, y'all? It's me, Young Froggy. The God. Ooh, this motherfucker's hot. Goddamn. Bro, hey. I done burned the fuck out of my forehead right now. Damn.
Who the fuck is Get Frog? Put some respect on my name. I respect it.
Alright, so today, hold on, I'm not even in focus, bro. Focus. Okay, so today I got a house call. What's up? The focus, man. Focus, man. Shit. Alright, we got a house call, and we out.
Hey, what you got going on?
Bro, look at this shit. I got them flat on the way here, man. Sheesh. Look at my tire, bro. Let's check him out. Check him out. That tire done dilly. What up, y'all? What you got going? Chilling.
Your car really got a flat?
Yeah, the front tire.
Hey, what you got going on, man?
I got a little bitch from the hood, I call her gang, she don't play with that bass shit. I be fucking this NBA nigga bitches, you know I ain't never gonna say shit.
New contract being like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with.
I told her pull up, she told me she can't, her nigga be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun, seen you out with your kids, so you old one, and my man in the
Alright, y'all, real fast. We at the auto shop. We get a new tire because my shit fucked up. Alright, so we're gonna get a burrito while we wait until my car get fixed. So far, the burrito's smacking like 2 butt cheeks. Alright, y'all, I'm driving down the street and I see something called Taking Off Fades. So I think it's a barber truck called Taking Off Fades, if I'm not mistaken. We're finna find out right now. Taking Off Fades Mobile Barbershop. This shit crazy. Look, look. Taking Off Fades Mobile Barbershop. So not only did they steal my name and open up a barbershop with my name, I've been saying barber truck for years before these shits was popping. Now they gonna take a barber truck and name it Taking Off Fades. I should have trademarked that name, bro. I never did. I probably still can, cause I had it first.
Hey, what you got going on, man?
Yo, Nick, pass, make it
I got a little bitch from the hood, I call her gang, she don't play with that bass shit. I be fucking this NBA nigga bitches, you know I ain't never gonna say shit.
New contract being like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with.
I told her pull up, she told me she can't, her nigga be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun, seen you out with your kids, so you old one. And my man in the can while you taking out the trash, you gon' pop with the mat like don't run.
Gave up here, they all get high, you ever had a foursome. It's too much cash for me to hide, I had to get a little bro some. I fuck around from time to time, I don't show no emotion.
But when he died, he had them racks, he had to make a go for him. I hang with the hitters who train the killers who send all the niggas on slow run. I got me a check and I brought me a cat and I went on the block and they know none. I hang with all the murderers, I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderers. I'm putting all my last on the murderer. You don't wanna see me with the murderer. Yeah, Rolls Royce swerving, famous bitch curving. Seen you out in traffic, you was looking nervous.
Ran it up on accident, they thought it was on purpose. I know for a fact I'm blasting mine, I never get too worried. 100 racks and 100 still like cursive, I been selling verses.
One time I lied inside my song, I ain't gon' buy no Birkin. Homicide on my mind when I slide, I ain't tryna see no hearse. He ain't even died by the gun, took a fake pill, nigga died on perks. Sure look perfect. Pussy was worth it, go get us some perks. My diamond be here like we anniversary. We sticking together, this shit in the cursive. I'm fucking with that girl. I just like the jeweler with baby with 2 anniversary. Go to Atlanta, the cop and call me. Bad little bitches all on me, way too ranked up, ain't no supposed. She wanna go to the mall. Got up and went to the pop up in Louis and saw it and ordered it all. I'm in this bitch with the voice in the hair. All these niggas is weddles ain't going this hard. I'm from the P, that's gang. All these niggas know me, I hang with all the murderers.
Shout out, bro. Bro, what's here?
Frog the God.
Frog the God. He's going crazy right now. Keep the line up. Yeah, explicit.
100 racks and 100 still like cursive. I've been selling verses.
One time I lied to side my song, I ain't gon' buy no Birkin. Homicide on my mind when I slide, I ain't tryna see no hearse. He ain't even die by the gun to the fake pew, nigga.
You in the game, man.
Greatness is upon you. You better act like it.